Hey there, fellow DIY enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into fixing common household appliance issues. Today, we're tackling the Electrolux cooktop error code 5F, a problem that can pop up in 2025 models and leave you scratching your head. This error often signals an issue with the temperature sensor or an overheating problem, but don't panic. Most of the time, it's something you can fix yourself with a few simple steps. First things first, safety is key. Always unplug the cooktop and let it cool down completely before you start tinkering. That way, you avoid any risk of burns or electrical shocks. Got it? Great, let's jump in. Step 1. Check for obvious problems. Inspect the cooktop for any spills or debris that might be blocking the sensors. Wipe it down with a soft cloth and some mild cleaner. Sometimes, a simple cleanup does the trick. If that doesn't work, move on to step 2. Reset the unit. Turn off the power at the circuit breaker for about a minute, then turn it back on. This can clear temporary glitches and might make the error disappear. Now, if you're still seeing that pesky 5F code, it's time for a deeper check. Step 3. Examine the wiring and connections. Carefully open the control panel if you're comfortable. Refer to your user manual for guidance, and look for any loose wires or signs of damage. Secure any loose connections, but if you spot burnt wires, stop right there and call a professional. That's crucial to prevent further issues. Finally, if none of these steps resolve the problem, it could be a faulty sensor. In that case, you might need to replace it, but I recommend consulting an authorized technician for that. Remember, attempting repairs beyond your expertise can void your warranty. There you have it, your quick guide to fixing Electrolux cooktop error code 5F. We've covered the basics to get you back to cooking in no time. If this video helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more handy tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.